Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw another Among Us surprise fold, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Sonic Among Us surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start with our Among Us Sonic surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. Go ahead and line up the corners, give it a nice fold, and then just go ahead and fold it down so you have a birthday card shape. Next, let's go ahead, fold it in half again, and then you have a nice little bookmark shape. When you open it up, you have these three little lines, and these work as great little guidelines for when you have your picture. So you can open it up like this, or you can open up like this, your choice. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the face shield. So I'm going to start right about here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it around to here. Then we're just going to bring it down like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. And then we're going to draw this line in with like a curve. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back. Then right here, we're going to curve this line down. And we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up and then over like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to the fold. And I'm going to bring it right to here and kind of curve it in just a little bit. Starting here, we're going to go over. We're going to come down. We're going to go down a little farther and then in. Now, starting right here, let's bring this line up and we're going to curve it back. Then we're going to bring it in with a point. Next, we'll make another one that's going to come down, and we're going to bring this in with a point. Next, we're going to go here. We're going to bring this down a little bit, and bring a little point right there. Now, starting here where we ended this, let's make a line that goes up and then comes down for a little ear. And then we'll draw a small triangle shape inside of there. We'll make another triangle shape right out here for that other ear. And then right here we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then it's going to come down. Starting here, let's draw an oval shape right around the leg, and we'll do that same thing to this leg. Just draw a real skinny oval shape around here. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes up, we're going to come down, and then in. Same thing here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, we're going to come up, and then in. We'll draw a line across the bottom of each one. And then we'll draw two lines up. Starting here, we'll draw a line that comes out and then down for the tail. Now our next step is to open this up. Now when we open this up, we have two halves of our little Sonic Among Us character. Now what we want to do is let's go ahead and connect these two lines first. So I'm going to bring this line down here, and then we'll bring this line all the way down here as well. We'll continue this spike down and we'll bring it into here. And then we'll continue this spike up and then we'll add just a couple more in here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw this line down a little bit, and we'll make this line come up a little bit. Then I'm going to make this line curve all the way down, and I'll make this line curve to here. Now inside of here, I'm going to add some bumpy teeth. Instead of sharp teeth like we usually do, we'll just do some bumpy teeth. And then we'll do some over here too. Now right inside of here, I want to make it look like there's a little gold ring. So let's start off by making a nice oval shape. Then we're going to draw a C shape like this. And then we'll put a little curve in here for a little gold ring. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Sonic Among Us character surprise fold. When you have it all folded up, you have your little Sonic character running. Then when you open it up, his mouth is all open and he's ready to eat that little gold ring. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.